Nashville, the heartbeat of music and the soul of Tennessee. At the heart of it all stands the Gaylord Opryland, a beacon of luxury and southern charm, shining brightest under the starlit sky. As dawn breaks, the Cumberland River whispers stories of the old and new, its calm waters reflecting the city's evolving journey. The road to Nashville is one of dreams and aspirations, and as day turns to dusk, every car, every soul races towards the horizon where dreams meet reality. Nashville stands tall, its spirit embodied in the stars and stripes, waving proudly against the hues of a setting sun. And as a new day dawns, the Grand Ole Opry stands as a testament to Nashville's rich musical legacy. Here, in the heart of Tennessee, the song never ends.